Hello everyone, MPX AUTOS James. How are you today? In this video, we'd like to show you how to remove the glow box in the FORD Focus and generation 24 to 11. This one actually it is like this, and what you need to do is you need a D20, D20 Torx screwdriver, because it will have the need to remove 1, 2, 3, 4. You peel this one off. 5, 6, 7. Okay, 7 of the screw with the Torx head like this. Okay, so that is D20 side. Before you start that one, simply grab the T20 and then remove 7 of them, and then use this small plastic plier to remove a slide here and push, and then it comes out. Very simple and very straightforward. The whole piece will come out, and then you can disconnect the connector on the top here, which actually is for the aux. And yep, after that you can do whatever you need to do, replace it or do any other job, and then slide back into place. Okay, and then screw 7 of them back into place. That's all you have to do. Okay, so hopefully it will be helpful, and thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next one.